Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Y'all remember when...
8 more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?
Woman, if you don't... Dark Deception is in Roblox. Multiplayer. I don't know if you know that. I'm gonna do single player. If I can beat it up... Hello? I hate this. I really hate. Okay, can I see?
What a charming little hotel.
See?
Bring back any memories?
Yeah.
Let's get this party started.
This gives me like mad anxiety, I'm sorry. I think I'm faster than them, so it should be okay. As long as they don't touch me, like as long as one doesn't come from like, you know, the end of this hallway or something, I'll be good. I'm looking strictly at the mini map right now. Whoa! So warm.
Run!
He's really on me. Please. I hear 2 of them. I hear 2 sets of footsteps. I think they're like as fast as me or like slightly slow. Man. Is there a 3rd one? How are there no power-ups? I like, you remember the power-ups from the original game? You know the power-ups? Ah! There was 3 of them! Surprise! Bro, that scared me so bad. Goodbye. I went through him! I had immunity. I had spawn immunity, and now I'm cooked. No, I'm not cooked. Screw it, we ball. Power up?
I would have thought you would have been stripped.
Oh great, now there's 2 of them on me. Isn't the yellow to summon? Yes. What the freak? I'm sorry for not the commentary. I'm like trying to lock in right now. And I'm afraid I'm gonna get jumped in the process. They're really on me. They're just like, they're so persistent. Oh, please don't leave me around. Yo, I just did the loopy-loop pull, bro. I love the loopy-loop. My shoes are actually looking cool right now.
Run!
I am. I don't know where they were or how I just did that, but I would have loved to be able to see on the mini-map when I did that. It's been pretty fun. No. It's my last life. If I die, I'm gonna crash out.
Right behind you!
I'm so glad this game has like fire.
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway. You are dead.
Okay. I'm gonna try one more time. If I can't beat it, you shut up. I'm gonna try one more time, and if I can't beat it this time,
Going up?
What? What did she even say? I'm gonna try to, you know, play multiplayer on Monkey Business. Bro.
Sleep. See those floating bits of crystal?
I accidentally said no.
Those are soul shards.
She stops.
Fragments.
So I'm gonna do this corridor first, so I can get like the back, and then I can just go forward.
It's right behind you.
Oh.
Death by monkey. It helps if you don't. It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face. You are dead.
Yeah, I think I know that woman. Multiplayer time! Imagine we have Lee Captivia. Sure, I'll join Jammy Cammy's lobby. We have Lee Captivia! Start the game. Jammy Cammy, if you don't start the game... I'm afraid if I use voice chat that... Yes! Do you have a Lily? Did they try to send me a friend request? Okay, we have people now. It's gonna be slightly easier, I think.
What a charming little hotel. Yes?
Yeah, that was actually my great aunt. Wait. I could have swore that really looks like AI to me, but I think I'm just chirping. I'm pretty sure I'm just chirping. I'm sorry y'all had to
Going
wait.
up? Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal?
I clicked no again.
Those are soul shards.
Lee Capit Illica. Oh, we can see the other players on the map. That's
You've gathered half.
They're all
of the
camping at spawn.
I'm impressed. I would have
I'm the only one doing anything. Bro, all y'all better get back to
got you. Run!
all y'all better get back to work.
Dead already?
Yes! So you could go and, you know, collect your own. Yeah, you're 1,000,000%.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Mr. Monkey, please. Mr. Italian Monkey. I'm Italian too. Please. I'm Italian too. So you can let me go. Why you following the black guy, man? So you're not police officer, bro. I think I have to wait for all the players. I can close this.
Who dares?
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!
These are reusing old voice lines. I know she just said the S word. But they're trying to trick Roblox into thinking she said shoot. You know she... run that back. I know she said the S word.
Shoot!
Actually, no. After you run that back, pull up a clip from the original game from what she actually says and see if it's different. Because I know they didn't hire her to be a voice actor again.
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!
No. Le Capitilica. Le Capitilica. Le Capitilica. Where's the Capitilica? I think Le Capitilica is getting like slimed out right now. No! Oh! The Capitilica! Yeah, I'm still recording. I had to check. Multiple times. I've like started recording, like finished a great video, great recording. Finished a great video, great recording, and then it just stopped the recording like halfway for some reason because I was out of storage. But I have half of the storage on my phone. It's like 600 gigabytes.
There's no escape for you.
You can definitely. Oh. Hey, I'll take a B. I will take a B. Alright, it's time to move on to Beerus's Ballroom, which I haven't beat yet.
8 more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?
No. I beat her phase 2. Right? Oh, okay. I might split this up into 2 videos. So, don't be surprised if I end the video here.
I haven't laughed that hard since I was a little girl.
Come on, run that back.
You are dead.
Like, bruh. Nah, bro, I'm giving up. If this video gets 5 likes, I will play this chat.